Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check Binance transaction history. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and of course download the application on the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have. Then what you need to do is go to the go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a Binance account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have, as you can see, the markets. We have the square tab. We have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit. We have the discover and the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how you actually can go and check Binance transaction history. So first of all, what you need to do is go and go to assets and click on the overview page. Then choose the wallet that you would like. Then click on history or transaction history and select the history type. So of course you can do that after only you actually made the transaction. If you haven't made a transaction at all, you can of course not check your history because there is no history to go and check. So first of all, as I said, you have to go and make a transaction. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.